Hi, this is Dr. Bob Roush at EnergyDrivenLeader.com, where we work with only the brightest and the best. Those leaders that have a desire to grow, who want to develop strong teams, and also to have that effective, very special work-life balance. I was having my coffee this morning and I was thinking about Christmases past and what great fun we've had as a family and sharing with one another gifts. This year's many gifts for the grandkids, but having the time to be with one another, to decorate the Christmas tree, to decorate the house, which is so very important. And I began thinking about not only the Christmases past, but this Christmas where we can set a principle to have the same kind of love and affection for one another, and began thinking about leaders and the responsibility of the leaders that I've worked with over the past years, and also the people I'll work with the next year, the incredible pressures and anxieties and struggles that they feel. And I want to encourage all of us who are leaders in this world to stop and think at this time of the year how important it is just to be with family. And in this video, I want to focus on you and your spouse. You know, Eleanor Roosevelt said, to handle yourself, think with your head. To handle someone else, think with your heart. And I believe in our relationship with our spouse at Christmas, all through the year, but especially at Christmas, we need to really look at that person from our heart. Now, Ginger and I developed 3 basic principles when we got married. The first was that we were going to love each other, and we were going to express that love every day, verbally and non-verbally. Verbally by saying, I love you. And the response is never, I love you too. It's like an addition somehow gets in there. It's her or me being direct right back. I love you. But also non-verbally, flowers, doing something nice for one another. But to have that love is so extremely important. The second thing is having communication with one another, not mind reading, not trying to be indirect, but being very direct, very loving and caring in our communication. And Ginger and I made a principle to communicate with each other every single day. The third thing is intimacy. Not only a sexual relationship, but a touching relationship, being close to one another, holding hands, giving each other that kind of look or that kind of touch that lets that person know that they are truly loved by you. Now, I hope at this Christmas season you'll take time just to focus on your principles that you have developed with your spouse, and you enjoy the Christmas as much as we are going to enjoy our Christmas. This is Dr. Bob Roush at EnergyDrivenLeader.com.